Did you know a dead man once fooled Hitler and changed the course of World War II? His name was Glyndŵr Michael, a homeless Welsh man who died alone in London in 1943 after eating rat poison. No family, no future, nobody looking for him. British intelligence found him and saw something nobody else did. A perfect spy. They gave him a name, Major William Martin. They built him a whole life, a fake fiancé with love letters in his pocket, unpaid bills, a photo of a woman he never met, ticket stubs from a show he never saw. Then they dressed him in a Royal Marines uniform, chained a briefcase of false invasion plans to his wrist, and slipped his body into the Atlantic off the coast of Spain. German agents pulled him from the water, read every document, believed every word. Hitler personally moved his defenses away from Sicily. And on July 10, 1943, the real Allied invasion landed exactly there. A man who died unknown saved thousands of lives without ever knowing his name.